Girls also have feelings for guys, but they are hiding their feelings because either she's shy or maybe she overthinks like if you are the right person. For her or not, she is yet to reveal her intentions. So how to know if she is hiding her feelings for you? If you suspect that a girl who is close to you is hiding her true feelings, she could be veiling her emotions, and more so if she is shy or apprehensive about being rejected. Or perhaps it is too soon for her to understand her feelings. If she likes you but is not ready to confess, she might be dropping subtle hints for you to pick up and make the next move. When you observe certain behaviors, you can tell she likes you. Take a look at these 18 signs that she is trying to hide her affection for you. Make sure to watch this video to the end so you don't miss anything. Let's start. Number 1. When she's with you, her mood and body language change. When a woman is in front of you, she may feel that her mood is better than normal. This does not mean that women should always be happy when they are around someone they like, because sometimes it's just a normal conversation that has nothing to do with humor, but there is always a good mood. There are feelings of real attraction beneath the surface. If she cares about you, her body language will change every time she sees you. If a girl tries to hide her feelings towards you, she will try to keep it to herself, but her subconscious cannot control her body. So her change body language every time you are around her. She behaves differently, with a genuine smile on her face. She likes your company, or sometimes she behaves weirdly and always does stupid things around you. All of these are great examples of signs that she hides her feelings for you. Number 2. She tries hard to make you happy. She needs your happiness because she cares about what happens in the relationship. This means that even though it can lead to problems, she is not afraid to be around you, which is a great sign that you have strong feelings for her. The average person does not care enough to make sure their partner is doing the right thing to keep them happy. But she is willing to go above and beyond to create a strong future for both of you. Her caring nature is a sign that she is hiding her feelings towards you. Number 3. She's always trying to get your attention. When you are together, she always tries to get your attention. When you talk to other women in front of her, she feels jealous and tries to get your attention. If she does not think that anyone else will see it, she may even make some secret gestures for you. But most likely it's because of how her body language works around you, because she does not want you to know what's going on inside her. Mind, she will be very affectionate. Maybe she makes physical markings like touching you to get your attention, often when other people are around. And if no one else is watching, she will even give you some points she might not have. Number 4. When you're talking, she makes eye contact with you more than usual. When you talk, she's more in touch with you than ever. When someone is not interested in what another person is saying, they do not pay much attention to them when they speak and usually allow their mind to focus on other things instead of focusing on the conversation. But girls who have strong feelings for someone usually have more eye contact with them than ever before because they want to see what you think and how your mind works. If she touches hard eyes during the conversation, it means that her feelings towards you will strengthen over time. This is the most important sign that she is hiding her feelings for you. Number 5. Before we begin, if you are new here, subscribe for more social psychology videos. Don't miss anything in future video. And comment down below, I subscribed, so we can welcome you. Number 5. She's always the one who initiates physical contact. She is always the one who initiates physical contact. If your girlfriend is constantly reaching out to you, holding your hand or wrapping her arms around your waist, it may be a sign that she wants to be close to you, even when no one is paying attention. This happens in the early stages of the relationship, which means that she is ready to take it one step further, and if that happens, then her feelings may be stronger as the relationship progresses. She's really struggling with how she feels about you, and physical contact helps her to feel connected to you without revealing anything in public or leaving her. If your girlfriend is not used to being so affectionate with others, this may make her feel a little weird, and she tries to hide it and avoid putting herself at risk. Number 6. She's always the one who initiates plans. She is always a planning initiator. She asks you to hang out with her often, and it seems that she does not want to leave you. Then there is a very good chance that her feelings will be stronger than just a passing love or friendly attraction. If this happens in the early stages of your relationship, it could be because she wants more of you or she needs more of your relationship, even if it's something you are not ready to give yet. If this starts after a few months, it may be because her feelings have been developing for a while. perhaps because she has kept them hidden for years and finally can no longer bottle them up to herself. Number 7. She might become quite self-conscious when she's around you. When she is around you, she begins to become somewhat self-aware. This is a sign that she is hiding some romantic feelings from you beneath the surface of her mind, even if it is not visible from the outside. This is because sensitive women are usually very careful about how they appear and act in front of others to avoid being judged. If you know her well, she may not want to change her appearance or behavior for fear of being judged. But if not, over time they may become stronger, but there are signs of self-awareness. And feelings are more intense on the other person's side. Number 8. Her eyes light up when she sees you. Her eyes twinkle when she sees you. This is a good sign that a woman has strong feelings for someone because this is very obvious and cannot be hidden. When she looks at your face or body language, her feet expand. This is the physical reaction that people get when they are restless around someone who is intimidating or embarrassing them. Sometimes her eyes light up when she sees you. It also tells you that she is often willing to have sex with you, which is why her students expand when she is around you. The more your woman's eyes light up every time you see her approaching, the more likely she is to have some kind of strong secret feeling towards you. If not attraction, at least love and friendship. If a woman develops feelings towards you, you should pay attention to this sign. Number 9. She loves talking about the future with you. If she talks a lot about the future when you talk or spend time together, there are signs of attraction on her part. There are times when she talks about the future with a man she likes, because it's easier for them to get close without feeling too much pressure from someone who wants to do things faster than she does. If you're talking and suddenly from somewhere she starts discussing what could happen in a few years, it indicates that there are some attractive features. But it would be more appropriate if she is not someone who does such a thing. Take things in stride and try not focus too much on the problem. Number 10. She always wants to spend time with you. She wants to be around you all the time and does not want to end up spending time with you. This is a sign of attraction because women usually feel comfortable when they spend time with someone. Seeing how their minds work and how deep the emotional level most men can be. To reach, if she does not want the time spent with you to end. It means that she appreciates your friendship and wants more than that. But if this does not happen between the two of you, her feelings are most likely not. She is present even though she can act like them. Number 11. She feels jealous when you talk to another woman. If your woman starts to get jealous when she sees you talking to another girl, this may be a sign that she has emotional bubbles. If she shows no signs of jealousy when you are together, this means she is afraid to refuse, and that is why she hides her feelings. This is a very clear sign that she is interested in you. If you want to try, you can mention any girl name, then see her response. If she asks you questions related to that girl or asks you about your feelings towards another girl, it means that she secretly likes you or that she hides her feelings towards you. Number 12. She texts back quickly. If your woman responds to your letters in a matter of seconds, she will try hard not to show you how much you get under her skin. On the other hand, if you find that an answer may take hours or even a few days, and that when it finally arrives there is very little in the way of real conversation, this does not mean that romantic feelings are behind it. Since this is a very common sign of someone struggling to suppress their feelings and may be a sign that she has fallen for you, but you still do not want to know because there are some obstacles in your way or maybe problems with her commitment. Number 13. She apologizes for everything. Now this is not true for every woman and it goes for all these signs. Women can be very difficult to identify, so do not feel intimidated or lost. Some people apologize too much, but if you start to see that she is doing it beyond her norm, it may be a sign to choose. She likes you and tries her best not to mess anything up for fear of losing your interest. This can also be linked to how she was raised by her family. If you know she has very strict parents, this may be a result of how they raised her. So this tip should be based on how well you know her. Number 14. She can't stop thinking about you. If she is constantly on your mind, even if only occasionally, and her thoughts keep coming back to you, it means that there is something special between the two of you. Women usually think of someone special from time to time. But if she cannot stop thinking about you, it means that a girl is secretly interested in you. She hides her romantic feelings from you because she wants you to take the first step. Number 15. She laughs at all of your jokes. If she laughs at all your jokes, it means that she is trying so hard to hide them that even if they are not visible. There are signs of attraction beneath the surface. It's not always easy for women to act on their emotions, so sometimes they give signals like laughter when they make a joke. Because it's easier to tell how she really feels, and it can be harder for her to handle this moment. Number 16. She asks you personal questions. She will ask you a number of personal questions, such as how your day went, what excites you and excites you, and other signs she needs to know about the most intimate parts of your life. If it's a normal conversation, it's not her fault for behaving like this. But if it's more than that, she will want to get a little into your personal life. Because you're close and special in her mind, it's a clear signal. Number 17. She compliments everything about you. If she compliments you on everything, even the smallest thing that only someone who knows you well can see, it means that she has feelings of love on her side. Most women will find something to compliment when talking about an attractive man, because they want to look nice and polite in front of them so they don't look rude. But as she always does, there are signs. She loves you, but she hides her feelings. Number 18. She will tell you her true feelings. If it takes her a while to open up to someone, or she never does, and suddenly she decides to tell you personal things about her without any pressure on your part, this means she is ready to get close to you. This does not mean that she feels something every time she opens up. But if it's usually something that takes her a while and words suddenly flow easily, this is another sign that women are not open to her side. Unless they feel really comfortable with someone, get up early.